So hi everyone, this video is going to show you how to use the simple replace command, and it's going to be very similar to the previous one where we did this find, but this one's just going to be a simple replace, and the keyboard shortcut for replace is Ctrl H. Alternatively, you can go into home and then find and select and go to replace, and this is the simple one, which is to say there are a whole bunch of things here in options where you can specify being case sensitive and all the other things, but we're not touching that. And the way you can basically just say find what and then type what you want to replace with. And if you now do note that the find is not case sensitive, but your replace will be exactly as you type it. So note that all of these GBPs are uppercase and then this one's lowercase. Now if I type in I don't know, CHF lowercase, and then I say replace, it's going to replace B2 with a lowercase CHF, even though it's lowercase on its own. If I change that to uppercase, it will start replacing uppercase. So that's how you can do individual replacements. Alternatively, you can just do replace all, and note that all these will just change into CHF. Ta-da! And it actually gives you a bit of feedback saying it's all done and there have been such and such number of replacements done. So that's simple replace. Any questions you may have, do comment and I'll try to answer them as well as I can. And the next video will be sorting cells and ranges. So keep watching and yeah, come back and watch more. Thank you.